instructions for the tissue paper wreath. The supplies included are a circular wreath form, lots of green tissue paper. They're cut into squares that are approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. Embellishments, which in this case we are using 1-inch red pom-poms, and a ribbon that we can use to hang our wreath. Other items that you will need are glue and a pencil. Let's get started. You'll just take one piece of the tissue paper and kind of pull it up around your pencil, the end of your pencil. It's okay if it's balled up a little bit, that's exactly what we want to do. Add some glue to your wreath. I'm kind of going around because I want to be able to do more than just one at a time. I'm spreading it with the tip of the glue bottle because I can just wipe this down later. If it's easier for you, you can use your finger to spread the glue around. Just make sure you have a paper towel handy. Or if you want to do a lot at once, you could even use a paintbrush. But this is fine right here. It's just a thin layer of glue. Then I'm just going to stick the tissue paper on. And then with this process, you're just going to keep going. It doesn't need to be perfect. You're going to have some space in between, like you don't want to jam them too close together. You want it to be able to open up a little bit. It'll make your wreath look fuller. Just use one piece at a time. About finished the wreath, but what I'm going to do is, as I'm looking around, I'm seeing a few empty spaces in here, so I'm going to go ahead and go back through and just fill a few of these in where I see empty spaces, because I'm afraid once this glue dries, we'll see some of the cardboard through here, and I don't want that. Okay, well that's about as full as I need it. So now I'm going to add my red pom-poms about like that. You might want to see where you want to put them first before you add the glue and glue them in. These pom-poms are going to look like little berries on your wreath. Oh, I got a smudge of glue there, but that's okay. This will dry clear. All right, now I'm gonna wait a while and let this dry before I add my ribbon. All right, this wreath is mostly dry. It's dry enough for me to show you the next step. So at this point, figure out where you want your holly leaf or your berries. I want mine kind of down in the bottom, that's fine. So then you just take your ribbon and put your ribbon through, and now you can hang your wreath up. You put it on your door, above a fireplace, wherever you'd like it. You have a nice decoration. Now that you've learned this technique, you can even use a cereal box and cut out maybe the first letter of your name and use it your favorite color and decorate a letter that way. Or if you wanted to do a heart for Mother's Day or Valentine's Day, you could do a heart and make it red and pink. You can add different colors if you like. So I hope you enjoy doing this wreath craft, and thanks for watching.